God is saying to you today, don't worry, certain things have to happen for certain blessings in your life. You will never understand about those blessings unless and until it happens. Be patient and wait. Always pray about everything. You know that I am more faithful than anyone. You may be stressed about certain things. You may be worried about certain things. You may be crying about certain things. You may be thinking about your past. You may be thinking about your future. You may not getting concentration on what you are doing because of certain things. You may not be able to sleep. You may be worrying about your children and about your family. But in the midst of this all, what you forgot is about me. If you would have remembered me at first, you won't even get time to worry or be stressed. Just a second was enough for you to remember about me. Remember, you have a God who can change anything. Who can do the impossible, who cares about you, who loves you, who blesses you, who is ready to do anything to save you from your sins, who can restore you, who can forgive you. Remember, always trust in me, not in you, not in anyone. First and always trust in me. Because I am your God. So don't worry, I am always with you. I know why I sent you to this world. Have faith in me. Always remember, everything is for your good and for my glory. Type yes.